if you like, can you please send me slime? Slime ingredients or recipes, and I will do them. I have lots of slime recipes, but don't really have them on paper, so can you please send comment some slime recipes? Thank you.